Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9983A. 83,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold the Silverado brand new. Silver ice metallic in color. Silverado is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cab. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Shift and fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. That steering wheel is heated, great for those cold winter days. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability along with tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Heated as well as cooled front seats to keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. All the power outlets you'll need. And wireless cell phone charging. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Silverado has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.